Hi Primary 4, this week our handwriting is the O and the G join. So make sure you've got your jotter, a pencil and maybe a rubber. Write handwriting, Wednesday 24th of February, and we're going to start with O and G. And if you can see, the O is halfway between this darker blue line and this one up here. So let's get going. O into the G. So we're going to go all the way around the O, cross over in to the G. O, G, there we go. I think this middle one's my best one, so I'm going to do a little star. Then we've got dog. So as you can see, the D goes from the bottom to the top, so it goes all the way around, up, down, into the O, into the G. And remember, the G has its tail that hangs under the line. So the D, the O and the G all sit on the line. The D goes right up to the top and the G hangs down. So let's see how we get on with that one. D, O, G, D, G. That's not the neatest, but let's see if we can improve it on the next one. Okay, I think maybe the last one, give it a little heart for that dog. Then we've got frog, so we practiced our F last week, so it goes all the way to the top and down below the line, cross over, then we've got the R to the O to the G. So the R, O and G are all sitting on the line. Remember, the G has its tail. Let's try that one. Okay, I think the last one's my favourite one, so I'm going to draw a little squiggly line. Then to finish off, we're going to do a sentence. The dog is in the fog. So capital letter, so our capital letters go from the bottom to the top. The dog is in the fog. Oh, full stop's gone the wrong place. Rub that out. Pop it in the right place. Better. Okay, see how you get on today.